Today, we will learn about the sense of sight. What sense of sight is, why our eyes are important, and how to take care of them. We will also check your understanding with some questions. Let's have fun while learning. What part of the body allows you to read and see your favorite person? Yes, it is the eyes. Our eyes help us see the world around us. They are very important for many activities we do every day. The sense of sight is one of our 5 senses. It helps us see things like colors, shapes, and movements. Our eyes take in light and send messages to our brain. This is how we understand what we see. Without sight, many things would be difficult. Why are our eyes important? Our eyes help us navigate the world. They allow us to read, watch, and enjoy beautiful sights. Without our eyes, we would miss out on many experiences. So, taking care of our eyes is very important. What are some ways to take care of our eyes? First, we should eat healthy foods like carrots and spinach. These foods are good for our eyes. Second, we should wear sunglasses when it is sunny. This protects our eyes from harmful light. Lastly, we should not stare at screens for too long. Now, let's check your understanding. Can you tell me what the sense of sight is? Why are our eyes important? And what is one way to take care of our eyes? Remember, our eyes help us see and enjoy the world. Taking care of them is very important. To recap, today we learned about the sense of sight. We discussed how our eyes work and why they are important. We also talked about ways to take care of our eyes. Remember to eat healthy, protect your eyes from the sun, and take breaks from screens. Here is a fun fact about eyes. Did you know that each eye has about 2 million working parts? That is a lot of tiny parts working together to help us see. Our eyes are truly amazing. Now, let's do a fun activity. Look around the room and find 5 things you can see. Describe them to a partner. What colors are they? What shapes do they have? This will help you practice using your sense of sight. Sometimes, people have problems with their vision. This can make it hard to see clearly. Common problems include nearsightedness and farsightedness. If someone has trouble seeing, they should visit an eye doctor for help. It is also important to have regular eye checkups. An eye doctor can check if your eyes are healthy. They can help you see better if you need glasses or contact lenses. Regular checkups keep our eyes in good shape. I encourage you to share what you learned today with your friends and family. Teaching others helps you remember the information better. You can tell them about the sense of sight and how to take care of their eyes. In conclusion, our sense of sight is very important. It helps us enjoy life and see the beauty around us. Remember to take care of your eyes and visit the doctor if you have any problems. Your eyes are precious. Before we finish, think about these questions. What is your favorite thing to see? How does it make you feel? Reflecting on these questions can help you appreciate your sense of sight even more. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and of course subscribe to our channel. You can also check out our video playlist for more English lessons and other fun stuff we post here on this channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the sense of sight. Remember to take care of your eyes and keep exploring the world around you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.